Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now we're playing Grow a Garden. So now guys, without our recording, I just buy a brand new phone, Honor 200. I guess that's the brand name, but here we go guys. We have some corn here and potato and some strawberry. I haven't put anything rarer than this. Wait. Than this one. This plant has name and it's mythical. What the hell has happened? Who is that, bro? Anyways, let's go about discussion. But this plant is coconut, and I bought this from the seed store, and this is mythical. So yeah, this is the what the flip, bro? Is it a monkey? Sun Wukong, is that you, bro? The god has called us anyway, but yeah, this is the only mythical I only had, and the most rarest of all of my plants. So yeah, the top two here is pumpkin, and then the top three is flower, and I mean foxglove. But what the hell is that? Can we go here? I think something strange is happening, bro. I don't know what's happening, but okay. Let's go around here and let's see what's gonna happen, bro. Because this confusion is kinda weird, bro. Like, what kind of divine beings appeared in this peaceful game, bro? Okay. It does nothing, so yeah, let's go buy something seeds here. My stock is probably normal. Oh, watermelon, corn seed. We already have. Oh wait, I need corn, bro, because that's what I need and what I'm looking for, bro. Yeah, and watermelon also. So yeah, I bought these two. Now let's plant it over here. No, I think the corn that doesn't belong that way, in that soil placement. I don't know, bro, what I'm talking about, but whatever, man. Here we go, corn seed. And then the blue. Where's my, what the hell, bro? What the sigma? Why am I holding a blueberry, bro? It's 1.02 kilogram. Can I sell this? I don't really know. What is that, bro? Because damn, bro, I'm just living peacefully in this game, and then suddenly this divine being just appear and just crossing his hands widely, and that's weird and freaky, I guess. But yeah, let's go do something better, bro. Okay, what I do? Oh, now it's gone, bro. The monkey is gone. What the flip? Oh, how are we supposed to do it, man? Pumpkin. I think I should sell now because this thing is big. I haven't done anything yet. Tagal ng stock, bro. When will you gonna restock? It's 1 minute. I hope you guys you can wait about this thing, because I don't know what I'm playing, but this game is pretty peaceful and boring at the same time. But yeah, let's go sell my plants that I accidentally pull it. Yes, I have something to sell, bro. Damn, bro. 4.135 million. I mean, 1,000 lang pala, 1,000. Bro, just restock already, man. I need tomato seed. Meron silang carrot spray. 25 stock. And I also need this for no reason. Let's put it here. Wait, huwag natin ipa, yan, katabi sila. Tomato seed, dito ka, may tomato. Hello bro, baka, ay naku po, okay na, it's finished now bro. Now all we just need to do is to wait some restocking seeds bro, because this thing takes so long. I wonder what is sugar apple bro. How is this prismatic? And this cocoa seed, it's, the rarity is divine man. Oh now it's, oh corn seed bro, finally. I bought another coconut seed. Oh, and the coconut bro, no way. Now we have two mythical plants, but I don't really care about that thing. But okay, let's go plant now some coconut. Alright, some coconut bro, and then some two corn here. I think this is it. There's nothing much to do, but maybe we can do something there. Buy something, animals, pets like that, walking around the rabbits. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention guys, I bought a pet and her name is her name is Eggs. Yeah, I named her Eggs. I am the pet salesman. I want to sell my pets bruh. Come on. Oh my goodness bro, I am so broke. I think I should buy another egg man. What a dog do. Bunny, golden lab. What is golden lab man? I think I should buy, but no. What is cosmetics? Sanctuary. I don't really understand about these things bro, because it gives me a lot of confusion. Like, how do I use that man? There's no raining. Okay, show me the gear shop. I wanna go buy something. Want a gun. Okay, special, but I'm gonna buy this. Yeah, what a waste. Go back to the garden and then just explore a bit. My bamboo, my coconut. Yeah, coconut, and my two corn and one coconut, my apples, my pumpkin, my pet rabbit, her name is Eggs, and then strawberry. Yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video.